rain prompting a flash flood watch for millions of you this morning. We've had them actually for the last couple of days. Where we could see, believe it or not, up to 5 inches, in which city is almost a foot above average for the year. Plus, what caused these tents to take flight? Yes, these are tents.
You're headed down the highway when the guy in front slams on his brakes out of nowhere. You do too, but not in time. Hey, no big deal. You got a good record, and Liberty Mutual won't hold a grudge by raising your rates over one mistake. You hear that?
Right, we have some flooding over there. Can you shut up? I'm trying to film here. And no flooding here, but if we come over here, there's some flooding just there, so let's just go out for a minute. Look at that, guys. This is usually what Britain's like.